Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So, today we are going to do revision of all the chapters. Okay, children? All of you have to see this video very nicely and understand what type of questions are going to come for the exam. Okay? Now, see the first question. Filling in the blanks by selecting the correct option. Now, here also you will get MCQ type questions. Now first question, see, 81 divided by 9 equal to dash. Now what you have to do, you have to say table of 9. In table of 9, when you get 81, say the table and find out what is the correct answer. The options are 7, 8, 9. What is the correct answer, children? Yes, the correct answer is 9. That is 9 nines are 81. So you have to take the correct option. Okay. Now second question. 403 multiplied by 2 equal to. And what are the options given here? 860, 806 and 866. Now you can when during the exam time you have to keep one book ready with you so that you can solve it and find the correct answer. Okay. Now how you are going to find out the correct answer here? 3 twos are is how much? 6. Right? 2 zeros are 0. 2 fours are 8. So what is your correct answer out of this? Yes, your correct answer is 806. Okay. 403 multiplied by 2 is equal to 806. Now see third question. Write the next term n, 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 n. Now you see the pattern here. First 3 times n is given, then 4 times it is given. Now what will be the correct answer? And the options are given there. Here you can see n is written 5 times, then 6 times, then 2 times. So what will be the correct answer? See the pattern and find? Yes. First it is 3 times, then it is 4 times, then the next pattern will be, it will be 5 times. So you have to write n how many times? 5 times. Now see next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, you have to take the correct option, true or false. 25 multiplied by 10 is equal to 250. Now here the option is whether this statement is true or false. Now how you are going to find out? You can multiply 25 ones are 25 and then you can put 10 after 25. So your answer is right. So what you will take, true or false? Yes, the answer is true. Understood? Now second question. The answer to a division problem is called the remainder. When you do a division sum, the answer to a division sum is called the remainder. So what is the answer here, true or false? When you divide a number, the answer which you get is called the remainder. What you will take? Yes, it is false. It is called what, children? It is called quotient. What it is called? Quotient. Understood? Now next question. 100 divided by 5 equal to 500. Now you can actually divide and find out. 100 divided by 5 equal to 500. Now when you divide 100 by 5, now you can divide and say in table of 5 when you get 10, 5 twos are 10 and you can take 1 0 up. So your answer will be 20 and not 500. So it is given wrong answer there. So what you are going to take, true or false? Yes, it is wrong answer. So you will take what? False. Now next question. Take the correct option. Okay, question is given and you have to take the correct option. See the first one. 12 multiplied by 18 is equal to dash. Now you have to actually multiply and find out. In your book, you have to multiply. 12 multiplied by 18 is equal to dash. And the options given here are 216, 261, and 621. So you have to actually multiply and see. Find out the answer. I'm giving you time to find out the answer. Let's see. 12 multiplied by 18. What is the correct answer, children? The correct answer is 216. 12 multiplied by 18 is equal to how much? 216 is the correct answer. Now second question. 230 divided by 5 equal to dash. 230 divided by 5 equal to dash. Now you have to divide and find out. 230 divided by 5. Now if you divide by 5, what is the option given here? 56, 46, 36. Now when you divide 5, so you have to take two numbers together. Which number you will take less than for 23 in table of 5? 5 fours are 20. And then you will read down, 0 down. So it will become 30, right? And when you get 30 in table of 5, 6 are, right? So what is your correct answer here? 46 is the correct answer. Now next question. Now here also you will see the observe the pattern first. See very carefully. First is given AB, then ABB, then ABBB. Now what will be the next pattern? Okay. First B is written only one time, then two times, then three times. So what will be the next term? Here you can see the options are given. So B will come how many times now? After 3 times it will come 4 times. So what is the answer? A, B, 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 B. This is your correct answer. Okay. Now next question. Choose the correct alternative to answer the following. Now see the first question. When 7,819 is divided by 4, what is the remainder? I repeat, when 7,819 is divided by 4, what is the remainder? Now here the options are given 3, 4, 5. Now you have to take your book and divide and actually find out the answer. 7819 divided by 4. I'm giving you time. Now what is asked here? What is the remainder? Okay, not the quotient. Here remainder is asked. So divide and find out the answer. What will be the correct answer out of 3, 4, 5? What is the correct answer, children? Correct answer is 3. What is the remainder here? Answer is what? 3. Okay, the correct answer is 3. You will get 3 as remainder when you divide 3819 by 4. Now see second question. The cost of 10 books is rupees 1500. What is the cost of one book? Okay, now here the cost of 10 books is given. What is given? The cost of 10 books is rupees 1500. And what is asked here? The cost of one book. When we ask the cost of one thing, what you have to do? Multiplication or division? Yes, you will do division. So here you have to divide 1500 divided by 10. Okay, and then you have to find the answer. So what answer you will get? Your correct answer is? Yes, your correct answer is 150. The cost of one book is rupees 150. Okay, the cost of one book is how much? Rupees 150. Very simple way. If you don't want to divide, you can just write 1500 up and 10 down and cut 10. 10 from up, 10 from down. The answer will be 150. That way also you can find out. Okay, now third one. Now see the pattern here. 10, 20, 30. What will come next? It is going, here we are writing table of 10, 10, 20, 30. What will be the next number? 40, 400 or 4? Yes, your correct answer is 40. Okay, so this is the pattern. Now, like this only your paper is going to come, children. Okay, I hope you have understood well, and all the best for your exam, children. Thank you.